Meaning of infamous.
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 Infamous. The word infamous is often used to describe something or someone that is well known for doing something bad or immoral. The term can also suggest that the person or thing has gained a reputation for being notorious or widely known for committing heinous acts. Infamous events throughout history include atrocities committed during times of war, political scandals, and high-profile criminal cases. Being infamous is generally viewed in a negative light, as it signifies a lack of respect or honor for the individual or group in question, and can often lead to social ostracism or even legal consequences.